Ever pondered how to amass a fortune from the money you worked so hard for? You're fortunate, then. The best investments that are expected to be the most profitable in 2023 are revealed in this video. We will tell you the 10 best investments that will make you a millionaire in 2023. Do watch the video till the end, as at the end we have said the most secret and the profitable investment that you must try. So now, without wasting any more time, let's start. 1. Money market accounts. Money market mutual funds are mutual funds that invest in reputable short-term debt instruments. They guarantee low volatility because all investments made by money market funds must adhere to strict criteria for liquidity and quality. Due to their low risk, money market funds are frequently the best option for short-term money storage. However, because they do not appreciate and are not anticipated to produce big returns, they are often designed to be a longer-term investment. 2. I bonds. Bonds in the Series I category rank among the safest options for investments during periods of rising inflation. The U.S. government's issuance of these savings bonds expressly aids in protecting the investor's money against inflation by maintaining its value. The 30-year maturity of I bonds is accompanied by interest payments to investors as well as a biannual inflation rate that is adjusted to reflect broader economic inflation. Because they are backed by the government, I bonds do not bear interest rate risk, have a low default risk, and these are exempt from local and state taxes but are subject to federal tax. If you want to know more investment options, then please do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Treasury bills, T-bills. The U.S. government issues Treasury bills as short-term debt obligations. Given that the U.S. Treasury is behind them, these investments have a very minimal risk. When you purchase a T-bill, the government commits to repaying your borrowing plus a predetermined interest rate. These loans might have terms of 4 weeks or up to 1 year. They are available in 5 various maturity terms, including 4, 8, 13, 26, and 52 weeks. 4. Certificates of deposit. A type of savings product called certificates of deposit allows investors to hold money for a certain amount of time while allowing interest to accrue on it. The amount of money held in one of these accounts is kept there for a predetermined amount of time or term length, which can range from a few months to 10 years. 5. Public sector bonds. The bonds of municipalities are issued by states, towns, and other non-federal governmental entities to finance local government expenditures on projects like roads and schools. Despite not being provided by the federal government, state or municipal governments issue these bonds, which are comparable to government bonds. 6. Corporate bonds. Bonds known as corporate bonds are debt obligations that are issued by firms as opposed to the government. These can be less risky options for investments that often yield a little bit more than government bonds. Rates of interest on corporate bonds are fixed. This implies that the value of corporate bonds decreases whenever the Federal Reserve raises interest rates and results in an increase in interest rates overall. There is also an additional level of danger because the FDIC does not insure these bonds. Investors must conduct extensive due diligence to ensure they are aware of the risks associated with investing in a particular company's bonds in the event that the firm encounters financial difficulties or goes bankrupt because the bonds are only secured by the earnings and assets of the company. 7. Dividend stock funds. A mutual fund or ETF that pays dividends is known as a dividend stock fund. Investing in dividend stock funds enables you to diversify your portfolio and profit from business gains. There's a chance you won't get paid if a business ceases making money. Furthermore, none of these dividends are assured. The fact that the underlying investments are dividend-paying stocks means that they are not immune to significant losses during broad stock market downturns. If you invest with proper research, then you could generate profits from these investments. Few of my friends earn around $500 yearly. 8. ETF or exchange traded fund. An ETF or exchange traded fund is a type of exchange traded fund in which funds from a number of investors are combined and invested in a collection of assets. These securities frequently follow a single industry or product category. Because ETFs include built-in diversity, which makes sure that your money isn't invested fully in just one business, they can be a lower-risk alternative to buying individual equities. ETFs may also incur lower broker fees than individual investments if they are handled by a broker. 9. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts aren't investment products, but they're still among the most secure methods to make money. The annual percentage return, or APY, that they offer is higher than that of a typical savings account. They therefore result in a greater return. 10. REITs. Investment in real estate might take the form of a real estate investment trust, or REIT. You can avoid being in charge of property management by using a REIT. Alternatively, you can earn dividends without making a big-time investment by just investing in a business that owns real estate. In the past, investing in real estate has typically been a dependable, income-producing move that has aided with portfolio diversification. As contrast to some of the other options mentioned here, REITs, or real estate investment trusts, have a little larger risk. They typically demand a larger upfront expenditure, which is why real estate has a tendency to go through cycles, and its values can change significantly. Because no two pieces of real estate are alike, investors must be aware of the risks associated with their particular investment or piece of real estate. 11. Stock market. These are the investments that are made by the most number of people. Stocks market is also called the share market. Here you buy a stock or a small share of a company, and as the price of the share goes up, you make a profit. There are certain stocks that generate a consistent profit. Try to figure out the best performing companies of the last 10 years. Invest in those. If you need any stock suggestion, then comment below. That's all for this video. Now you very well know the 11 best investments that you must do in 2023 to become a millionaire. Do press the subscribe button if you want to know more tricks and investments. Also press the like button. This motivates us to make more new videos. Share this video with your friends also. Do let me know in the comments which investments you are going to do right now. Thank you for watching.